Siyabonga Msholozi. Siyabonga Nxamalala ukuthi ubakhumbule abalahlekelwa imisebenzi yabo ngenxa yokukusupporta nanongadayisi struggle of the oppressed. People have suffered because of you, Msholozi. People have suffered because of us, Msholozi, the black class. Certain people balahlekelwa high ranking positions because bakhetha ukuqhubeka belwele umuntu omnyama besupport umuntu omnyama bengamdayisi. Sekufike umbuso kaRamaphosa odayisa kwasani onamandla okuflathela ama policy resolutions ka-ANC. Njengamanje sonke siyazi ukuthi wanje RET njengamanje kwi-ANC kaKhongolose ukhishwa ngesango manje. Uyaqala nje uflag ufake red list uzokhuluma indaba ze-RET la. We are not progressive. And they even have audacity to call you a counter-revolutionary just because ukhuluma RET. Bananesibindi sokuthi bethi kuwena we are not working towards unity. Wonke lamagama angaphekwa. Uhlangana kanjani ukhuluma RET ne-disunity? What do they mean? Is RET now a curse in the ANC? Is RET language now an anti-ANC thing? So abahlala lo language RET Msholozi, we know them. We saw leader Eskom how he was compromised. Ukoko, even though doing very good job there. We saw Transnet how Popo was compromised while doing the good job there because they stuck on transformation agenda. We saw Otutunyeni, may her soul rest in peace, how she was tortured just for sticking with the RT agenda. We have seen so many comrades. Amayasela ANC angasale kanjani. Oh Mamu Dlamini. People suffered for following your righteousness, the politics of black oppressed. So ngithi nje siyabonga ukuthi uthi masuqala MK ubalande labo bantu. Uthi masuthola ihlala eParliament uthi ngenani. I think the message we have sent it clear. Yabona umuntu ongabuka ivideo engisendile, I think yesterday ethi ready to govern ubuke line up kaMsholozi. You'll see what indeed, not by rhetoric, MK is ready to govern mobuka abantu esibathumele eParliament and ama structures in our base, in our military base. I'll call it a military base. Ukomsile Msholozi ukuthi awu driver popularity uThutoza bayithuze wakho u driver understand ama credentials omuntu lowo ozombeka. And sikubonga ngobani Msholozi, we know ukuthi should you surround yourself with wrong people, the whole structure of the oppressed will collapse. And who are the wrong people? Are not just people we dislike. The wrong people are people without experience in government. The wrong people are the people who have no political credentials in terms of pushing the struggle of the oppressed. It's people who have never demonstrated any loyalty to your level, any loyalty to black people to your level, Msholozi, and your lineup is quite good. And why ngubonga Msholozi lo? It because nama comrades MK lalela call to ama social dynamics. Some of the social dynamics are political, so that's why they will also be called political dynamics. Those things are very important to manage and control. You know, if I could make an example of Floyd is not Zulu. And don't tell me that if Floyd is surrounded by Zulu people, akanakho kuyena somewhere, either consciously or unconsciously, ukubhekisisa ukuthi how the Zulu people treat him. Ngisho talk 1%, 2%, kodwa kukhona. There's that uneasiness. It's going to be a social dynamic. And ngenxa yalo uneasiness, thina singamaZulu we need to do more to make Floyd feel comfortable around us. Because dialectically and pragmatically, khona izinto esingezokhonecta naye kahle ngoba unenye i-social orientation from i-tribe yakhe. Nathi, as the people who like to call themselves Zulus, we have our own social orientation from our tribe. And the problem with pragmatism is that it's based on culture experiences expressed in language. That's why it is easy to lose each other makuthiwa siyakhuluma. UmXhosa ngasho enye into uyizwe ngendlela bese umZulu. It's pragmatism. How it affects the dialectism, our dialect, the language we speak. Because the language we speak is based on experiences, lived experiences, our culture, our norms and beliefs. And those things are not homogeneous across different tribes. Yingakho kulula ukuthi umXhosa misunderstandane nomSotho, umZulu misunderstandane kalula, kulula futhi ukuthi umZulu misunderstandane kalula noMpedi noMvenda. It's because we come from different social orientations. Yingakho ngithi, if I could make an example of Floyd, he's one person who would be quick to feel either disorientated, uncomfortable, or not sure if surrounded by Zulus, while the gentleman has taken biggest risk of his political career and came and joined MK Party, which has been wrongfully popularized as a Zulu political party. Ngiyazi maqabane ungalula push back and enjoy. But let me tell you, it's a reality. Now we must uhambe eLimpopo lapho, decide to go join EFF Malema assign Limpopo. Everyone around you when they speak, now those who don't hear what they say. Those who hear what they say, you don't understand what they really say. Dialectism, the dialect. That's why in politics we have something called political discourse and analysis, which looks at in linguistical discourse. Or if abantu bekhuluma, what's the meaning behind it and where it may come from. And we know that in language, a lot of meanings are encoded today. To decode them, you need to have pragmatic understanding. Uma sithi siyobohla amanyosi, you must understand the story behind that for you to get sense of what we mean. Uma sithi siyohlangana esikhaleni sikaNtombela, you must understand the story behind. Sikuphi isikhala sikaNtombela? Sikhona abantu abaningabazi isikhala sikaNtombela sikhona. Mawubhekile konkahle. Futhi abazi uzithiwa sohlala isikhala sikaNtombela okwenze njani. Banizona isemnandi. Yayihlangana impi iyolwa. So leso sisho sisebenziswa ezimeni ezicayi kuphela. Ngeke sisetshenziswe nje ezaphelele nentombi yakho. That's what you speak about, dialect and pragmatism. So if it's communicators engage, forget sibiza ngama MK ezibiza ngani. Communication is communication. If you like, can say just say dialogue. If you don't want to say communication, but when we talk with dialogue, it's got its own complexities. Some easy to see, some difficult to see. And that's why I'm introducing the concept to those who don't know it of pragmatism versus dialect across different tribes. So, on top of to bring those people closer to you, do not forget them. And I know you are not bringing them closer because you're just making them a favor. You are bringing them closer because you believe in their political credentials, experiences, and capabilities. And I'm saying thank you. That alone shows that we are serious about the success of liberation of the oppressed movement. And let us manage social dynamics correctly, because there are social dynamics that will exist simply because MK Party is a national political party. You'll have a Makaos, you'll have a Mavenda, you'll have a Basotho. And allow my tribes to shine. Asazi mapa marisk akona, angatas misunderstanding alula. And in we should be seen trying to do more to make each other feel comfortable, particularly around Mjolus. Because there will be social dynamics, a influencer, a power shift, at least perceptions, which control, which inform attitudes, which then drive behavior. There will be that situation. That's why in a video, in Sandizolo, ngicela usisi wami nobhuti wami ukuthi besupport umshuluzi ngemuva. Sisi wami Duduzile nosisi wami nobhuti wami uDuduzane ukuthi it's because of those political dynamics, comrades. Uma wayesebenzela ikhampani, i-boss eneyingane esebenzayo in the same company, you'll know how uneasy it is to be around the kids of the boss. Even if they are nice to you, even if they are genuine to you, and even if they have no position. Consciously or subconsciously, you'll not feel comfortable. And in who are around umsholozi, we need to protect them and we need to make them feel comfortable. Ngoba into a problem which insho it's like mawuthi uhamba neboss yakhe emotweni ohamba nengane yeboss emotweni. Don't tell me ukuthi uzoba free, uzokwazi ukukhuluma noma yini, wenze noma yini, ucommente noma kanjani ngama policy companies. You will feel suffocation because you don't know where this conversation will end. So mangikhuluma nge-discomfort, mangikhuluma ngama-social dynamics, ngikhuluma ngalezo zinto. Ugogo uzoba relaxed kanjani around mina engazi ngizalo umsholozi or ngizalo uhlophe. Uzo-expressa kanjani some of dissenting views ngoba njengama-radicals maqabane mkhonto face kuvuma ukuthi sophikisana sometimes. Asokuhlezi sisho into evumelana nayo. Yabo nje ivideo lengisho izolo lethi Mduzane noDudu, many comrades ahlezi ngivumele didn't like it. Some even said hayi ngathi sengiqhamuka kakho mthini. It because it was not comfortable to listen, to watch and listen to me suggesting ukuthi ingane ngazuma we may need to control their participation, level of participation around umsholozi. And nambe ngivule vele ngokusho ukuthi comrades ngiyazi this is not easy. Even for me it was not easy to say this because it may look like now keep a protection kamsholozi around it. It may look like we're trying now to exclude ingane kamsholozi. But you are a risk ahead. There's risk ahead. Already sebaqala abantu ukuthi hawu Duduzile uyena otshela uZuma ama-comrade axoshwayo because Duduzile akafuni nabanye sebemsolile ukuthi usaxoshwa nxa Duduzile. And now we've added another cup. Ngizothi cup ngoba uZuma ibhubesi. Zingane zamabhubesi le. Amawundlu lawo. We've added a second cup now, which got his own influence, his own personality. He's got strong personality. If the boy is quiet, you see brain behind you, see assertiveness and all that. How do we manage these dynamics, comrades? Because kwakhona vile uqoqa ama-stars amaningi ngoba njengoba sinama-political stars ku-MK. We have revolutionaries with service credentials as I speak. Must be banning with space, which is good. We need to manage that because the political dynamics will be different as compared to a case where there are few. And in the first years, in the MK, we are all radicals. Bandabashi NC beza MK, I'm radicals now. We are not conformist, majority of us. We criticize and we want to express our views. It's in our nature. How do we manage that in these structures top there? Ngoba mabane ukuvutha kwepolitiki kulele kwi-ability to manage dissenting views. Ikhono lokwazi umanage imbono ephikisanayo neyakho. Imishado eminingi phela lapho. Kwaphikisana imbono umshado yaphela. Kwaphikisana imbono umngane kuyaphela. Kwaphikisana imbono okwenza esinje ngamanje. Kwaphikisana imbono usuyanamwa. Hayi wena you are anti-unity because people can't manage uphambana kwembono. And let me tell you, uZuma understands that very well and he embraces dissenting views in his nature. But not all of us are like him. Most of us, we cannot handle imbono ephikisana nayethu. Singamane sisuke sahambe esidekile ngoba uyangiphikisa. You know what, after 10 years, I realized, yazi wayerathi sibambana. But damage has happened. Ingakho ikhono lokumanager imbono ephikisana yakho lisemqoka now, because we are not going to lose people who are telling you to wake up, not because they hate you, but they need to wake up because they see approaching danger which they've already experienced in the past or which they see clearly that you don't see. So ngikule ama-power dynamics, my comrade. Aswa-manage ama-power dynamics. Ngoba the more MK ingene emandleni, the closer it will get to power. And the more it gets to power, the more the struggle to get hands to resources will intensify. We are getting closer to resources. And people change when the resources. Are we ready to manage those dynamics? Are we not going to have a situation where people now start to use Petro because Petro is a child of Jacob Zuma? Or some even start lying about me and say, hey, lying about Duduzane, hey, Duduzane doesn't want so and so, and now we must support this one. We see some conferences. And the proposal I'm eating, let's try as hard as possible now to remove and manage any dynamics that may make people doubt that they made the right decision by joining MK. Remove all dynamics that may create reasonable doubt in terms of how united we are as MK. My submission, comrade, is that we have a role to make people who supported Msholozi through thick and thin feel comfortable around Msholozi and don't doubt our commitment to them and our appreciation of what they've done for the movement from the time the ANC dumped it. Let's manage social dynamics. For me, it will make sense to let those people continue to lead us without interference. Let us continue to bring people abanama credentials in the struggle, because there's something called future. MK must exist for the next 100 years. Ayingadluli noMsholozi. Masifuna ingadluli noMsholozi. Umbuzo uthi ukusikhanda yiphi class of politicians right now ezokwazi ukuthi uma kuthiwa uMsholozi ngelinye ilanga uyavakasha, labo bantu siyobathemba ngoba sithemba uMsholozi, nabo futhi bawothembakala kithi ngoba uMsholozi athembakele kuthina. Sizokwazi nokubaqoqa labo bantu sibasondeze uMsholozi if ama-political dynamics around uMsholozi are not well attended to. If umuntu njengoFloyd angakwazi i-EFF as a-MK party, my MK party abosiphethe bemphushele ngaphandle ngoba bona they are much closer to Msholozi. So those are the dynamics, comrades, engicabanga ukuthi sidinga ukwa-manage before they create, before there's a problem. It's proactivity that I'm asking for. Njengamanje akho nkinga. Ngifuna ukusho ukuthi yonke into engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje is not a fact. But a wise person manage things before they happen. Yingakho ngithi asibe proactive masosha umkhonto ngoba clearly siya emandleni, and the more siya emandleni, the more sondela ama-resources, and the more sondela ama-resources, the more the battle of resources will intensify at an individual level. For that reason, we need to start managing those social dynamics, which most of them include political dynamics, by making sure that people who surround Msholozi is people who've got political credentials and experience to govern, and they've proven strong virtue of commitment to liberation of the oppressed. Khona umthetho othithini othi an auditor must not only be impartial, but an auditor must also be seen to be impartial. Okusho ukuthini-ke my comrade? Asiyibuyekeze ukuthi who surround Msholozi and how that surrounding of Msholozi contributes to the future of the MK Party. Mandla.